Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Eji m n'aka na unu dị mma. Hello my precious Igbo language learners, hope you are all doing fine. So today on our word for today, we have the word market, which means Ahia in Igbo language. The word market means Ahia in Igbo language. Ahia. So for an example, we have let us go to the market, which is ka anyị jee ahịa. Ka anyị jee ahịa. Ka anyị jee ahịa. Again, ka anyị jee ahịa. If you want to make it extra, you can say bịa ka anyị jee ahịa. I'm sure you know what bịa is, but in case you don't know, bịa means come, let's go to the market. Bịa ka anyị jee ahịa. I hope you've learned something today. See you again tomorrow. Remember, practice what you have learned. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. And very important, turn on your notification button because we are bringing it again tomorrow. Kemesia.